Hello and welcome to VW Van Centre in Birmingham. In today's video we'll be looking at the VW Caddy Maxi Life. As always with our used approved range, this vehicle comes with a minimum 12 months warranty. Additionally, it also comes with a 114-point vehicle check and it also comes with roadside assistance. If you see anything that you like in this video, don't hesitate to give our team a call on 0121 260 3000. This version of the Caddy comes in the lovely Reflex Silver. Moving a little bit closer to the front of the car, we can see that it comes with daytime running LEDs and front fog lights. The Caddy also comes with a body match trim, so the bumpers, wing mirrors and door handles are also the same colour in Reflex Silver. Moving across to the front grille of the car, we can see that it comes with the one chrome finish strips, which just gives it a lovely standout look. Another thing that sets this Caddy apart from the rest is the lovely 16-inch Fortaleza alloy wheels. As we move into the rear passenger area of the Caddy, we can see that it comes with a bench in the middle. This can be folded down on both sides for easy access to the rear bench. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, we'll be taking a look at the rear windscreen, which is heated for no delays on those cold mornings, along with a washer jet. Along the rear of the bumper is our rear parking sensors, making no car park tight enough as we can easily navigate through it. And as we look to the top of the Caddy, we'll see that this version comes with some roof rails, meaning that if you want to add some extra storage for those long journeys away, you can do. Taking a look inside the boot now, we can see that there is ample storage room in the boot itself, with a removable parcel shelf, and the third rear bench is completely removable, giving us even more storage options. The tailgate itself comes with a handle, making it safe and easy for everyone to operate the tailgate. Moving round to the other side of the vehicle, we can see the other sliding doors, making it easy access for both sides of the road and even those European journeys. Moving into the cockpit of the Caddy, we can take a look at the trim itself. We've got the single strip of silver trim, giving it a lovely match to the outside of the car as well. A multi-function steering wheel finished in leather, climate controls and an infotainment system. This completes the 360 walk around. You can stay a little bit longer if you want to, where we'll take a more detailed look at the interior. Again, if you have any questions regarding this vehicle, don't hesitate to call us on 0121 260 3000. Looking at the multifunction leather finish steering wheel, we have some options for our trip computer here to cycle through and even call people on the contacts list. On the left hand side of the steering wheel, we have our options for our cruise control to reset and set current speeds, as well as volume controls for the infotainment system. The climate control system in this car comes with air conditioning, front and rear heated windscreens, making those cold mornings with no delays. extra storage for your papers and another charging dock in the dashboard. This infotainment system comes with a 6.3-inch touchscreen with DAB radio stations. It also has the capability of navigation system with 2 SD card slots on either side. As well as this infotainment system comes with App Connect, such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, meaning that you'll never run out of things to listen to. And finally, we can take a look on the driver's door for the controls for the windows, the locks and the heated wing mirrors. This will conclude our 360 walk around of the VW Caddy Maxi Life. If you've seen anything that you like and want to see more, please do not hesitate to arrange a viewing with one of our sales team. You can do this by contacting us on 0121 260 3000. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.